CS502 concrete and asphalt saw, heavy duty floor sawing machine for the most demanding concrete and asphalt cutting. The machine is built with a superior weight distribution which results in fast cutting combined with relatively light weight. The machine is equipped with a 40-liter built-in water tank. The machine can use diamond blades of 400 to 500 mm, which allows a cutting depth of up to 175 mm. The machine is equipped with a cutting depth indicator and an adjustable line guide for an accurate depth and straight line cutting. The machine has a safety braking mechanism. The machine is equipped with 10 HP Suguna electric motor or a 13 HP Honda petrol engine.